Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using JAMOVI. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I am going to discuss how to perform Pearson's correlation coefficient test in JAMOVI and its interpretation. You can find more videos on data analysis using JAMOVI, SPSS, RStudio, MS Excel, econometrics and statistics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's begin with the introduction. Pearson's correlation coefficient is used to test the linear monotonic relationship between two continuous variables, and these two continuous variables are normally distributed. So here I have the data on result of students and library hours per week. So we have two continuous variables and we want to check whether these two variables are linearly monotonic, or whether these two variables are correlated with each other or not. So basically we are interested in measuring the linear monotonic correlation, and therefore we can use Pearson's correlation coefficient. So what is null hypothesis in this case? Null hypothesis says that there is no significant correlation between result and library hours. That means population correlation coefficient is equal to 0. An alternative hypothesis says that we have the significant correlation. That means the population correlation coefficient is not 0. It is significantly different from 0. Now let's understand how to perform it. So first you go to analysis. In analysis we have the option of regression, and in regression we have the option of correlation matrix. You click on it. So we want to find the association between the result and library, so select them and move them to the right box, and here we have the result. So by default Pearson is selected, so we don't need to change anything. Let's interpret the result. So here we have the value of correlation coefficient, that is 0.799. Now before we interpret this, we need to check the statistical significance. Since p-value is less than 0.05, this correlation coefficient is significant. Now since it is between 0.5 and 1, we can say that we have strong positive correlation between result and library, between result of students and hours spent in library. Now let's see the scatter plot. So here we have the option of plot, select correlation matrix, and we can see the scatter plot. It is positively sloped line, and therefore we can say that we have the positive correlation. And since the value of the correlation coefficient is between 0.5 and 1, we have the strong positive correlation between two continuous variables, that is result of the students and library hours. So this is how we interpret the Pearson's correlation coefficient. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.